In a world where data is everything, one company is revolutionizing the way businesses generate value. Introducing UNIIEQ, the transparent and decentralized master data management platform of industrial equipments powered by blockchain technology. We want to leverage the power of blockchain to ensure that your critical industrial equipment metadata is available for industries of all sizes in a transparent, immutable, and decentralized way. Our platform provides a single version of truth of industrial equipments for everyone in value chain. Manufacturers, suppliers, resellers, logistics, and customers to improve the organization, flow, and quality of your equipment metadata. Say goodbye to fragmented and incongruent data sets that slow you down. With UNIIEQ, you'll experience process improvements and economic gains like never before. With ease to publish and share metadata, ease of uploading equipment metadata into ERP. It's more than a marketplace. It's an entire ecosystem. Join our vibrant industrial equipment community where collaboration and knowledge sharing takes center stage. UNIIEQ, generating value to industry. It's time to elevate your master data game and energize the digital evolution together. Visit our website today and see how UNIIEQ can transform your business.